Are you frustrated with the iOS 18 installation problems? Like unable to check for update? An error occurred. Checking for update. And stuck on different installation stages with message update requested. Preparing update. Verifying update. And stuck on Apple logo. I am Carly. Let's start fixing your problem with the basic solutions. So, the first solution is to check the primary checks like available free space, battery level, and more. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on General and go to About option. Again, scroll and check the available storage option. During the installation, we need 10 to 12 gigabytes of free space for big update. Otherwise, 6 to 7 GBs are okay. If not, then go back and tap on the iPhone storage option. Here are different options to free update storage quickly, like delete recently deleted albums and delete videos from the Photos app. You should delete the old iOS download available if in this list. Tap on Delete Update and confirm with the Delete Update option. Re-download update later, or delete unused apps to make free space. Another important fix is turn off screen time restrictions if enabled. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll and tap on Screen Time. Again, scroll and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now, again disable the toggle Content and Privacy Restrictions. Enter your iPhone Screen Time passcode. If you forget it, change it. Refer to our separate video in the video description and pin comment. That's it. Go back and check the issue is resolved. Still not, then the third solution is to turn off the VPN. VPN is unsecured connection for Apple server. Turn off or uninstall VPN completely to download software updates at high speed without any error. Go to Settings app and scroll to VPN option and turn off the toggle by tap on it. Disable the toggle and that's it. In addition, we highly recommend to uninstall VPN from General, VPN and Device Management. Again, tap on I button next to your VPN name. And tap on the Delete VPN option with the Delete confirmation pop-up. That's it. Go back and check the issue is fixed or not. Under the software update, tap on Update Now option. Enter your iPhone lock screen passcode and see the Update Requested option. During this process, your device will request a supported iOS update. Swipe your finger to refresh the page if stuck on this stage for checking for update again and again. Now, you can see minutes remaining on the screen to complete the software update download to your device. During the downloading and installation time, we highly recommend to keep your iPhone on charge to a direct wall plug and continuing because this installation will take 30 minutes to 1 hour, depending on internet connection speed, and store data on your iPhone and your iPhone model. Once the downloading is complete, your iPhone will keep all data secure, like a backup, and you can leave it alone to prepare updates. If you feel something is wrong and it is taking hours of time, then I recommend to delete iOS software update from Settings. Hard reboot your iPhone and try again. Go back to General under Settings, scroll to iPhone Storage, and find the downloaded iOS file. Here's my iOS 18 in around 6 GBs of file. Tap on it and delete update. Again, tap on Delete Update to confirm. Now, re-download from software update after a hard reboot. Press and quickly release the volume up button and volume down button. Then only press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo on screen after black screen. During the reboot process, all internal software bugs are fixed automatically and ready to install iOS without any error. In case you are getting an error occurred, pause repeatedly then reset network settings because your Wi-Fi is disconnecting automatically during the press. Ensure that you have your Wi-Fi password because all saved Wi-Fi passwords will reset. But don't worry, important data will not erase. That's normal process. To do this, go to Settings app and tap on General. Again, scroll to the last option, Transfer or Reset iPhone option. Select Reset option and select Reset Network Settings. Enter your iPhone lock screen passcode and screen time passcode if enabled. Again, confirm the Reset Network Settings option, and that's it. Once the iPhone is on, first connect the iPhone with your Wi-Fi network under the Settings, Wi-Fi, and tap on Wi-Fi to join Wi-Fi network. Go back and try to install new iOS version under the software update. I done my iPhone updated with the latest iOS 18 with some required conditions and troubleshooting that help users in most of the cases. Once you reach the verifying update, don't do anything, because this is an automatic process. Your iPhone screen goes black and shows the Apple logo with a leading bar on the screen. I hope you like this video. Don't miss to like, share, and subscribe for more upcoming videos. Also comment for more help.